Do you want to know how to change time zone on Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change time zone on Notion. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give the credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now, on the left side of your screen, you're gonna see a bunch of options. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, you're gonna have to select My Settings option, then scroll down, where you're gonna find Date and Time option. Under Date and Time, you're gonna see Set Time Zone automatically using your location option. You're gonna have to turn it off. Then right beside time zone, you'll see there's a drop down menu. Go ahead, tap on it, then select the one that you like by searching cities or time zone. I'm gonna select this one right here, and guys, you can see I've successfully changed the time zone in Notion. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.